In this lesson, we will see together the possessive pronouns, but we will see more precisely le tien. So, of course, the question is, what are the possessive pronouns? Well, they replace a noun previously mentioned to avoid repetition. This is the concept of the pronouns in French to replace a noun that was mentioned. They are used to indicate ownership or possession. So that's the important thing, and that's the reason why we call them possessive pronouns. And the last thing that is quite important, they agree in gender and numbers with the thing or things being possessed. So you will have to choose your pronouns according to the gender and the number of the things they replace. So this lesson is about le tien. And the possessive pronoun le tien can be translated into English as yours, your own, or your one, depending on the context. Keep in mind that le tien is masculin singulier. So we will see some examples with le tien. Mon téléphone est neuf, mais le tien semble beaucoup plus récent. Mon téléphone est neuf, mais le tien semble beaucoup plus récent. J'aime son choix de musique, mais le tien est plus sympa. J'aime son choix de musique, mais le tien est plus sympa. Son appartement est spacieux, mais le tien a une vue incroyable. Son appartement est spacieux, mais le tien a une vue incroyable. Son chemisier est joli, mais le tien a des motifs intéressants. Son chemisier est joli, mais le tien a des motifs intéressants.